Hi! In this video, we will look at the following main character. Why do flamingos stand with one leg up? Well, if they have two legs up, they would fall over. Actually, the real reason why flamingos stand on one leg isn't clear. But one theory is that it's to regulate body temperature, since a lot of heat goes out from their legs. But if you think about it, isn't it more comfortable to lean on one leg to rest than to stand on both? Maybe it's more comfortable for the flamingos too. This is the ancient version of the main character we're looking at today. It depicts someone standing with his feet firmly on the ground. This is how the character looks today. Can you see the similarities with the ancient character? This character is pronounced li, and it means stand. It is used in these words, 独立, which means stand alone or independent, and 建立, which means build, set up, or establish. Now that you know the main character, let's see it with some other characters. From here, let's add a character that means hand. This character describes using your hands to pull something up so that it stands. To pull something, your feet need to be planted firmly on the ground. This character is pronounced la and means pull. It is used in this word, 半啦, which means half. Here's the next character. From here, let's add a character that means mouth. This character is pronounced la, and it doesn't really have a meaning. It's a modal particle that's normally placed at the end of a sentence, and it is used to show a good mood or attitude. To remember this character, you can think of it as something you say to pull people closer. It is used in this phrase, 该来的都来了, which means those who had to attend are all here. Here's another character. Here's the main character. Now let's add another character that means person. A person and where he stands can show his position, rank, or title. This character is pronounced 位, and it means position. It is used in this word, 单位, which means unit. This character is also used to count the number of people. Like in this phrase, can you find the character? This phrase means 3 guests. Let's see another character. Do you see the main character? The main character shows one person standing, and this character shows 2 people standing. The simplified character looks like this. This is pronounced 并, and it means side by side. It is used in this word, 并且, and it means and or also. Here's the last character. From here, let's add a character that means sun. This character shows the sun shining on 2 people standing side by side. The sun shines over everything and everyone, so this character came to mean general. It is used in this word, 普通话, which means Mandarin, which is the standard language of China. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.